Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to check your credit age on Credit Karma. So to check your credit age on Credit Karma, all you gotta do is follow these simple steps. Step 1, log into your Credit Karma account. Now you can do that on the mobile app, or you could do that on the website with your computer. And once you're logged into your account, you just want to click on the credit score tab. And here you can view your credit age, which is the length of time that you've had credit. You can also track changes to your credit age over time on this on the credit score tab. You could also use Credit Karma's credit age calculator to see how your credit age affects your credit score, and that can help you make better informed decisions in the future. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to check your credit age on Credit Karma. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.